How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on the chat icon. Here, you can view all your chat lists with your friends on Snapchat. Tap on a friend from the list. If you see that there is no green dot below the profile picture, it means that he or she is not online on Snapchat right now. Go back and tap on another friend. As you can see, there is a green dot under their profile picture. This means that this person is now online on Snapchat. You can try doing this for your other friends on Snapchat as well. Following these steps, you can easily know if someone is online on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helps you, or leave a comment below if you have any question related to the video.